Hello, this is Ken from Easy Test Pool Supplies, and today I have a prototype of the M600 pool cleaning robot by Maytronics. This unit will be available in June 2019, and today we're going to go over some of its best features. The M600 is the all-new Maytronics Dolphin robotic pool cleaner, and it makes it super easy to look after your swimming pool, keeping it clean and ready for fun with minimum effort and hassle. It's newly designed for maximum cleaning performance, convenient handling, and simple operation. The M600 is cloud connected, so you've always got control right in your hand no matter where you are. Just sit back and let the M600 work. The unit has a dual drive motor for powerful performance and optimum efficiency with a wall scrubbing design. It has power stream mobility with multi-directional water outlets for precise navigational control and a dual active brush that rotates at twice the speed of the robot. It comes with a swivel cable to prevent tangling and increased suction and a larger filter capacity than previous units. Its super efficient multi-layer filter is clog-free design that keeps it clean throughout the year for both rough and fine debris. The unit also comes with its always connected technology. This allows you to control your Dolphin robotic pool cleaner via the My Dolphin app. Choose modes, get notifications, set a timer, select a cycle, and make your pool perfect from anywhere at any time. It has smart notifications to get a heads up on any upcoming cleaning needed or any sort of maintenance. It also shows a detailed cleaning history to give you insights into your pool maintenance. And of course, it has support 24/7. The unit has a complete coverage of all pool surfaces. With an improved algorithm and advanced software, the unit also has a pickup mode, which rises the robot and stops at the pool edge for easy removal from the pool, and has a patented fast debris and free water release system to make the unit light and able to be removed from the pool easily. The M600 unit makes superior pool cleaning even easier. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you feel so inclined, please like, share, comment, find us on Facebook, and subscribe if you haven't already. Or click the bell notification to receive our most updated content. This is Ken from Easy Test Pool Supplies, and thanks for watching.